In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Waterc Basic Lines wet pattern in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the brush tool by pressing B. Open the brush presets docker, search for Waterc Basic Lines wet pattern, and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Start painting with light pressure to create soft watercolor lines with wet pattern textures. Increase the pressure to add stronger color and more visible line details. Apply multiple strokes to gradually build up the watercolor effect and texture. Use the color picker by holding Ctrl to sample nearby colors and continue painting for smoother transitions. Adjust the brush opacity or flow if you want lighter and softer watercolor effects. Waterc Basic Lines wet pattern is perfect when you want to create watercolor strokes with visible wet textures and natural line variations. It is great for adding detail while keeping a soft painted appearance. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, textured backgrounds, line details, landscapes, foliage, and adding unique watercolor patterns to your artwork. And that's how to use Waterc Basic Lines wet pattern in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.